moving on. Now we would be discussing about the European Union ka regulatory body, which is EMA. So before moving on to the EMA, a very famous question which consistently has been asked in PVK interviews is what is ultra vigilance? Ultra vigilance कुछ नहीं, ultra vigilance is a European database. That's all. But database for what? Database for adverse reaction to medicines. What is database? I will just make it clear. हम जो भी डेटा होता है हमारे फ़ोन के अंदर, वी स्टोर इन समथिंग कॉल्ड एज क्लाउड. यू माइट हैव हर्ड दिस मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स कि मैंने क्लाउड के अंदर स्टोर किया डेटा. देन वी हैव AWS, Amazon वेब सर्विसेज. अगेन दिस इज अ डेटाबेस. सो डेटाबेस इज बेसिकली एक ऐसी स्पेस, एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे सारा डेटा आपका जो है स्टोर होता है. दैट्स ऑल. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डेटाबेस. सो जहाँ पे एडवर्स रिएक्शन जो रिपोर्ट होती है उसका डेटा जिस डेटाबेस के अंदर जिस सेंट्रल डेटाबेस के अंदर स्टोर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ultra vigilance as far as European Union is concerned. So whatever ICSR reports get submitted from the European Union region, those regulatory those adverse event report ICSR reports gets stored in a database, in a central database जो कि यूरोपियन यूनियन का अपना खुद का central database है, which is called as ultra vigilance. That's all. So they ask you this very famous question कि what is ultra vigilance? So you just have to mention कि it is a European database for collection and management of adverse reaction to medicines. Okay, moving on. Now again the timeline wala part, just neglect this thing. This is a additional information, very irrelevant to this course. Just focus on this part. I will just take a different color. Serious valid ICSR. Again, I have explained you what is serious ICSR. Within 15 calendar days, you need to submit. And non-serious, which do not meet any of the seriousness criteria, within 90 calendar days, you need to submit those reports.